Since owning my Hoover Clean Slate, it has truly solved all of my carpet and upholstery needs, and since the holidays are on our heels, it is time to tackle those tedious chores. I've partnered with Hoover to share how my Clean Slate helps me feel prepared for anything before it happens. But first, I need to get under that bed and give it a good cleaning. These are places we definitely forget to clean, but it feels so good knowing that it's getting done. As you can see, I love for our bedroom to be light, bright, and airy, but that comes with a price to pay in maintaining that. Our bed frame is upholstered and it does get dirty from the oils on our bodies, especially where we sit up and lay in bed and here on the rail. Having this clean slate has been great for cleaning when I want to and as deep as I want. And I allotted some time out to do some deep cleaning. My advice to you, if you're doing some deep cleaning, is not to do it all in one day. It will overwhelm you to no end, I promise you. On this day, I'm doing my bed. And then about 3 days later, I tackled my shaggy carpet that really needed a deep clean using my Hoover Smart Wash automatic cleaner. And you guys, I cannot tell you, I cannot live without this thing, and I'll explain why. So one thing about me is that I love fuzzy blankets, carpeting, even fuzzy slippers. But when it comes to carpeting, it can be crazy expensive and it requires frequent maintenance. There's no way around it, you guys. Protect your investment. Now I'm using the upholstery attachment to deep clean our chairs at the foot of the bed. Although everything looks clean and nice, but here's my truth, y'all. I sprinkled little hints of fall in our bedroom on this side table, and I added one of my favorite gold trays and this blingy pumpkin. This beauty is from HomeGoods. It's soft and velvety, and of course I had to add a little bling. Love the neutral tones that could be used anywhere, and getting in touch with my wild side with this leopard print, although all three are different, but they still work with all the neutrals in the space. You guys known for years that white bedding has always been my go-to. White bedding is one of those things that people shy away from because many think it's not suitable for most homes due to maintenance, etc. But it can work in every home. I got this faux fur quilt from HomeGoods last year, and the quality is just amazing and it's utterly soft. I love it so much, you guys. And to my surprise, they had matching standard shams. I got new standard pillows, no go flat. I use these just for decor, so I really can't give you my true opinion on them, but if you tried them, let us know in the comments if they are yay or nay. Have you guys seen the Casualina bedding brand at Target? This is the perfect blanket to stay warm and cozy. The knitted pattern lends a wintry style and the color matches the rest of my bedding. It's perfect for snuggling up to read or watch TV or just chill. Having all of your bedding match, it can actually save you time from looking for matching sets. And let me tell you why. It's easy to clean on high temperatures, of course, and it makes the room feel less cluttered. It can also brighten up a dark room, and it's classic. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I'll be sure to leave a link to the Hoover Clean Slate in my description box, and I'd like to give Hoover a sincere thank you for sponsoring this video, and I'd like to thank you all for watching.